So, the Galaxy S25 Ultra come with a huge upgrade. But first, let's talk about the launch date of the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. According to the South Korea media, the unpack event for the S25 is set for January 22nd, 2025 in San Francisco, United States. At this event, Samsung will reveal the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. There's also chatter about the S25 Slim possibly making an appearance. Now let's talk about the two huge upgrades that come in the S25 series, and that is a new game mode. This is a game changer for mobile gaming. The frame interpolation technology is something many gamers have been hoping for. By generating additional frames, it can elevate the frame rate of games from 60 frames per second to 120 frames per second, even if the game isn't natively running at that higher frame rate. The result? A smoother, more fluid gaming experience without the extra power drain or overheating issues. This will especially help games capped at 60 frames per second, which are pretty common on mobile. If this works as expected, it could make the Galaxy S25 Ultra one of the best mobile gaming devices out there, providing that premium experience that most Android phones can't quite reach. Now we have another excited upgrade in the S25 series, which is AB System Partition feature. This update system is a huge win for user experience. The AB partition allows your device to update without any downtime. One partition gets updated in the background while the other is active. And once the update finishes, the phone automatically switches to the updated partition. This means no more waiting around for long update processes or worrying about your phone freezing during updates. Samsung rolling this out with the S25 means quicker, smoother, and more efficient software updates. A win for security and overall usability. Plus, the storage impact is minimal, so you don't have to worry about your device running out of space for future updates. Now we have another rumors related to the Galaxy S25 series. All Galaxy S25 series model come with the 12 gigabytes of RAM, and the entire S25 lineup will feature Snapdragon chips globally due to Exynos production issues. So, what are your thoughts on these developments? Let me know in the comments. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.